Your little pussy belongs to me.
Go! Where's the wipe? Give it a what? God, I'm not. It's not like a. It's not like a me thing. It's not a me thing. Holy fucking shit! Oh no! Oh my goodness! Oh! You fucking motherfucker! That would be my last stream. Looks good, your graphic. Very good, very good. I wanna kill someone. Oh! Oh, I got him! Holy shit! Oh, yo! That was a banger. What the fuck?
Wait, what?
What the fuck? What? You're so what? Oh, you're playing. You fucking asshole, dude. Oh my god, dude. That is okay. You actually got me. You actually got me. I don't know, guys. Like, is it just me or like?
Sin City wasn't made, yeah.
Oh my goodness gracious! That scab just. What the? What the mother? What the? Who the fuck are you? Hey! Fuck you! Fuck you, bitch! Fuck you, motherfucker!
That's why we need to add sex.
Yo. Okay. What did he say? That is why we must add sex. I gotta get away from that. No. Oh my goodness. It's what I do, baby. It's what I do. Alright. Check this out, boys. I'm about to kill these guys. These guys are raiders, right? Yeah, these are raiders. Alright, check this out.
You are watching a master at work.
God damn! Hello, Phantom Spectre. I don't have a speech impediment. I just have an accent. I have Danish. That's my disability. I have Danish. Get him, bro. You can do it. Get him. Uh-oh. I'm on a grenade. Oh, now I'm in trouble. Woo. Oh. Weapon nay on him. Him up, baby. Woo! Ah! Oh goodness gracious! Man down! Ah! Oh, I got him through the fucking wall. Let's go! Alright, so every time I jump in the game,
You jump in there.
look, it's so perfect.
Okay.
What the fuck? Oh! Dude, this is really awkward.
Oh, this is
Who's gonna reload first? Have a nice one, Tim. Have a good one.
We will salute you. Bye.
Oh. Hey guys. Oh. Let's go get them, boys. Let's go get their asses. God damn, we get some of the most American people in the whole game here. He's got the ball. What the fuck microphone is that? What is it? Oh. Get away from me! Get away from me! Oh! Who the fuck was that?
A real human being, cheeky breeky.
I don't know. I don't really look like a real human at the moment.
Stop doing that, bro, you motherfucking bitch. I'll fuck you. I forgot I'm out of bullet. Oh, you're a motherfucking bitch.
Beer back. Okay, we gotta get the beer back screen on.
Would you know it? Would you know it?
Oh!
Would you know it? Would you know it?
Ah!